Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn a Kalamkari leaf on a wooden plate. So we need a wooden plate of diameter 11 centimeter. If you don't have this, please draw on the paper. Any paper, A4 size, A3 size. We need a pencil, eraser, 000 number brush, various shades of blue, black color and red color and white color. Okay, so I have these three brushes. This is 00, these two are 000, and I need a cloth to wipe the brushes and we need water. Okay, so let's start. First step is we will draw a leaf in the center. Now how to find the center? So what we do, we draw lots of diameter. This is a circular disc. So we draw lots of diameter. Wherever it is intersecting, that is the center of the circle. But if you have A4 sheet like this, then you just draw outline 2 centimeter for framing and 1 centimeter after that. Okay, I'll show you how to draw. So please see, 1 centimeter we will leave here on the paper for framing. Okay, and then another 1 centimeter for border. That is how you have to draw on all the 4 sides. And then in the center, we will draw the leaf. So I will draw this with black paint so that you all can see. It's a very simple design. All of you know how to draw a leaf. This is the center. So here I'm drawing one leaf. Then next is a curved line. And we are drawing a flat line. Please draw in pencil on the paper first. If you want to make on the tray or any other motif, anywhere else you want to make, transfer it later on. This is of Kalamkari art and black outline is compulsory. Now take a compass and just draw a circle if your paper is circular. Otherwise, in this area, you just draw the border. This is a leaf design. Most of you must be having a rectangular paper, so no problem. That's easy. Just draw the border on the paper and then on the border, I'll teach you what to draw. In most of the Indian folk arts, border is compulsory. If you are painting on the paper, your paint should not be very watery. If you are painting on the wood, then your paint should be little thin. With this, our outline work is over. So we are drawing one more line so that we know that we have to fill color for border till here. In Kalamkari art, we have lots of importance to white color. So suppose in the center, if we have filled peacock blue, but any color you fill, it's your choice. Okay. Now I'll wash the brush, wipe the brush, and next layer I will do white color. When they make actual pattern on the cloth, then they don't apply white color. White color is actually cloth's white color that turns off white because cloth is washed in buffalo milk and it's again and again boiled. Some artists boil it with cow dung also, so it gets a very nice off-white color. Now another layer, I just want to give this kind of green color. You can use any green, any other color also, it's your choice. When we paint on the wood, then first we use the sandpaper and we check whether surface is smooth or not. If it is not smooth, then we make it smooth. Then we give minimum 2 coats of white paint or the gesso or any other primer. this is the light blue, sky blue. I'm taking this dark blue color. I prefer acrylic paints because acrylic paints don't get affected by water. Other paints like watercolor or poster colors, they get reactivated along when water droplets are fallen on it or by mistake if we touch it with wet hand. So that's why I prefer to use acrylic paints. For big paintings, like if we are making a Buddha or Ganesha or any landscape, I prefer to use oil paints because mixing is very good in oil paints, which we cannot get in acrylic. Like, of course, some people get it, but we have to be very, very fast in acrylic, otherwise our paint will dry fast. And then in oil paints, color mixing is very good. If you are using oil paints and acrylic and watercolor, please keep your brushes separate. It's always advisable to keep the soap solution in a glass of water with you so that whenever you're washing the brush, its bristles are clean. That increases the life of your brushes. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad.